guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, I want to say a big thank you to you, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. On this channel we talk about different things, all things natural hair, the different protective styles, how to braid, different DIYs, hairspray, hair lotion, all of those things to aid in your hair growth, not just in length, because we want a healthy hair. We want healthy hair, we want healthy scalp. On today's episode, or today's video I should say, we're going to be talking about the different braiding hair. I've heard a lot of stuff and I have seen a lot of things going on the internet about the different braiding hair that we use to braid our hair, and I wanted to bring it to your attention. I'm just going to let this video play and then we are going to talk about it.
But lead is not removed from apple cider vinegar. So the answer is no.
Okay.
You have to look for, and there are other synthetic brands, not only Doso, owned by Black women who have, in the last 3 years, started this movement to produce Black-owned, women-owned products for non-toxic synthetic hair, and then the plant-based banana,
Which is the Rebundle.
What is the brand?
Rebundle.
Okay.
That's Rebundle, yeah.
And they have also, since the Consumer Report, have also done their own studies, another round of studies, and they have zero chemicals in their products as well.
I know we use braiding hair for sometimes crochet, box braid, twist, corn roll. So today I wanted to talk about the dangers of using synthetic braiding hair. So we're going to read a couple research that has been done concerning our braiding hair. So the first one is a Consumer Report investigation which took place 2025. I'm going to leave all these things in the description so you guys can also check it out on your own. So they tested 10 popular synthetic braiding brands. They found volatile organic compounds in 100% of the products. They also detected lead in 9 out of the 10 products. Report raised concerns about long-term exposure because braids are often worn continuously for weeks. Now let's go to the report of 2026. This was a follow-up study done the next year. So the Consumer Report expanded its testing to 30 products. So this includes synthetic braiding hair, human hair extension, plant-based alternatives. Lead was detected in 29 out of 30 products. The volatile organic compounds were detected in all the products, all 30. I don't know if you guys have ever braided your hair and you start itching right away, or like you break out in rashes. These are because of the dyes that they used in the braiding hair, the preservatives that they used, the chemical coatings that they used in the synthetic hair, in the synthetic fibers. And all in all, what am I trying to say? It's crazy because we are always trying to do protective styles, and most of our protective styles require braiding hair. So now the question is, which braiding hair are we going to use? Are we going to keep using the synthetic hair when we know what's in the synthetic hair? 29 out of the 30 products had lead in it, including the human hair extension, including the plant-based extensions. So the question is, which ones should you use? And you are going to hear from the video which ones you should use. Also, let me know in the comment section what do you guys think about this when you see that the braiding hair that we use to protect our hair is actually one of the key sources of what we're going through. What do you think the alternative is? I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know what you're thinking. Let me know the alternative that you use. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course subscribe, and I will see you in our next video. Bye guys.